I'm Michael Smerconish. We start with breaking news, my exclusive story about comedian Bill Cosby and evidence that I believe jeopardizes the criminal case against him. You'll recall that just a few weeks ago, the famous comedian was finally hauled into court in suburban Philadelphia to face charges for sexually assaulting Temple University employee Andrea Constand. This after at least 50 different women, you see many of their faces here, all had come forward to say Bill Cosby had molested them. I have learned that this case, the only criminal charge that Cosby has ever faced, might soon fall apart. I have obtained a document that no other journalist has that could blow the case up. I talked about it a bit last night on AC 360, but now new information. So let me back up and tell you the story. Back in 2005, the then district attorney of Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, Bruce Castor, was investigating Andrea Constand's case. Castor has said he wanted to prosecute Bill Cosby, but believed he did not have enough evidence to sustain criminal charges beyond a reasonable doubt. Still, he thought that Constand might get justice in a civil suit, and he claims he made an unusual deal to create an atmosphere where she could get that justice. The DA told the comedian's attorney, essentially, I won't prosecute your client if you promise that he'll testify fully in a civil case. Cosby's attorney allegedly agreed. It was a deal. In the deposition, Cosby admits he had sexual relationships with at least 5 women outside his marriage, gave prescription sedatives to women he wanted to have sex with, and tried to hide affairs from his wife. Cosby says he gave Constand 1.5 tablets of Benadryl, an over-the-counter antihistamine that can cause drowsiness, to relieve stress. He said that the sex and drug taking were always consensual. Why would Cosby testify so openly? Because allegedly he believed it would never be used against him in a criminal court. The civil case against Cosby was settled, and the deposition remained sealed for many years, but then last year a judge decided to release a transcript of it. And the explosive charges Cosby faces now are largely based on that transcript, which we now know could very well be thrown out of court when the case has a hearing on February 2nd. In the last few days, I obtained an email, this email that I confirmed was written by ex-DA Bruce Castor to his successor last year, 3 months before the charge against Cosby. Only those involved in the case have seen this email until now. It's the only clear record of the deal that was made promising not to prosecute Bill Cosby. And here's an excerpt. Castor wrote, I can see no possibility that Cosby's deposition could be used in a state criminal case because I would have to testify as to what happened, and the deposition would be subject to suppression. I cannot believe any state court judge would allow that deposition into evidence. Knowing this, unless you can make out a case without that deposition and without anything the deposition led you to, I think Cosby would have an action against the county and maybe even against you personally. Bruce Castor has been subpoenaed to appear at the hearing on February 2nd, at which time I believe the case could fall apart.